Refrigerators' poor cooling performance is a common issue. Most of us believe it is a manufacturing flaw, but actually it is not a manufacturing flaw. To sort out this problem, we have to defrost the refrigerator at least once in a week. Now a question arises: why do we defrost refrigerators? Actually, refrigerator is a heat pump. It takes heat energy from the zinc, which is at the lower temperature T2, and provides the heat energy to the source, which is at the high temperature T1. Transformation of heat energy is taken place from sink to source. The source is our atmosphere. Sink is the things we have placed inside the refrigerator. Fruits, vegetables, all are sink. The performance of the refrigerator is given by the formula beta equal to T2 divided by T1 minus T2. Suppose the value of T2 is low, the quantity T1 minus T2 is large. If T1 minus T2 is large, the value of beta decreases. That is, the performance of the refrigerator decreases. The stage at which the value of T2 is reduced is another one question. When a refrigerator works for sufficient time, more ice forms in the freezer and cooling coils, which decreases the temperature T2 of the sink. As a result, the temperature difference between the source and the sink increases. That is, T1 minus T2 value increases. This increased difference reduces the performance of the refrigerator, since the value T1 minus T2 is present in the denominator of the above formula. In this way, the performance of the refrigerator decreases. To sort out this problem, we have to defrost our refrigerator at least once in a week.